Hey my divas, how you doing? It's your girl Grace, aka Facequizite here, and today I'm coming at you with this lovely springy smoky eye that I've created. It's not a dark smoky eye, so let me just clarify that, as you can see, but it's just something that is spring appropriate, something that you can wear during the day and also in the night. You know, you can just switch the lippy to a red lippy at night or something darker, and you know, as we say here in the UK, Bob's your uncle and Franny's your aunt. Okay divas, anyway, today I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Artist shadows to create this look. Okay divas, so if you want to see how I created this look and all the products that I use, let's go divas. However, I will also put all the products that I have used in creating this look in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out divas. All right my honeys, so yeah, let's go and create this slayage. So today I'm working, as you know, I'm going to be working with my Makeup Forever Artist shadows to create this look. So the first color I'm going to be taking is this M664 eyeshadow. You know what, I'll tell you the colors later. I'll just put the colors on the screen because it will just slow me down if I have to keep lifting it up and looking at the color. So this color right here is what I'm going to be using as my first transition color. And divas, we are over using so many colors as our transition color this year. That is one of the things we need to change this year. We do not need too many transition colors. Let me move closer because I cannot see what I am doing. Okay, that's better. Okay, so I am applying this generously in my crease using my Morphe E28 brush. Okay loves, as you can see, I've already done the rest of my face. I will put details of what I use in the description box below, so if you're interested, please check it out. In this vanilla looking color right here, and I'm going to be applying it with my Morphe S29 brush. Okay, maybe this brush was not the best brush to use for this. I'm sticking with it regardless, doesn't matter. Let's go back in with the E27 brush that I used in applying my transition, my first transition shade, and just blend that out. This color right here. And I'm using the same E28 brush that I had used initially to apply my first transition color. I think once you start using more than 3 transition colors, you're overdoing it. There's no need, because what happens is they all morph into one color anyway, and there's too many colors. I'm going to go in with one more color, which is just slightly darker than these two that I have previously applied, and I'm going to be using my Morphe E28 for that, which is a slightly more tapered brush. The E27 was more fanned out, as you can see. Let me show you very quickly. See, this is the E27 and this is the E28. So as you can see, the E28 is more tapered. And there goes my blouse. You know, I can't be asked. Sorry divas. Okay, so now the next color I'm going to be taking for my crease is going to be this rich brown color right here. And this is going to be the last color that actually goes into my crease and my outer view. Okay, so here we go. Concentrating this right on my crease. Using screen wiper motion, as well as just, you know, I'm just applying a teeny weeny bit onto my outer V, just so there's no gap. But this is not that kind of look, so you don't need to apply too much. Going back in with the E27 brush, I'm just going to tidy that up and blend out the edges. Okay, so now I'm going to go onto my lid color. So in order to apply this lid color, now I could easily put down a base for this color, but that's not the look I'm going for today. I'm just going to apply it as is on this eye. I just want it, I don't want it too strong, though these colors be popping anyways, but yeah, that's not the look I'm going for today. I don't want to cut crease, I don't want it to over pop, I just want it to blend into my crease colors. So I'm going to be taking this color right here and I'm going to apply it dry without any base, just you know, the primer that I already have on. That's just what I want with this look today. This is how I rocked it to church on Sunday and I really liked it. So taking this color right here, quite messy, so I have a bit of fallout, plus this is one of the diamond eyeshadows, so of course there is a bit of dropout. See, and I'm just applying it onto the mobile lid itself. You see all that fallout? Because it's a diamond shadow, the mattes don't do this. It's just the diamond shadows, because they're a bit gritty, because they've got you know, little specks of sparkle in them. Going back in with the E28 that I use in applying my last transition color, I'm just going to go and tidy that crease up. Blend, make sure those two colors, the lid color and the transition color, are nicely blended. Okay divas, that's very simple. That's basically the eye done. So now I'm going to go and line my eyes, you know, put on my eyeliner and liner in my waterline, and then I'll come back and I'll do the lips. There's no point doing this on camera, just wasting your time. Let's make this as short and simple as possible. Okay divas? Oh yeah, and I'll be applying my lashes as well. But that's basically the eye done. Very simple, very quick. Divas, so I have done the eyes and I have let my hair down so I can look a little bit more fleek, you know what I mean? Okay, and I don't understand this sun. This sun does not want me to be great, you know. But the thing is, I was born great, so I'm gonna be great regardless. Oh god. Because I don't know why the sun keeps coming and making me look like I'm 10 shades lighter than I am. It's ridiculous. The same thing in my last video. But what can I do? I cannot fight against the sun, can I? Just know that a diva is not this light, so that when you see me out in public, you don't expect, you know, me to look like this and then you see somebody who's like 5-6 shades darker, just so you know. Okay diva, so now I'm going to go on to the lips, and for my lips I'm going to be lining it with with Chestnut Lipliner by MAC Cosmetics. And do excuse the state of my lips, they are quite dry right now. Okay, and that's my lips outlined. Okay, so I've outlined my lips with Chestnut Lipliner. So now I'm taking Cherish lipstick, also by MAC, and I'm going to be applying that all over my lips. So that is Cherish lipstick. And on top of that, I'm going to be applying Ready or Not lip gloss, also by MAC Cosmetics. Okay divas, so voila, this is the final look. I hope you like, I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, go ahead and click the like button. Also, if you've got any comments, do go ahead and leave it in the comment box below. Share, subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate that. Click I can't speak today. Click the subscribe button below divas, and also remember to click the notification bell just next to it so that you get instant notification of all my videos, so that you don't miss any of my videos. Okay divas, also go ahead and share this video, share it on all your social media platforms, and I would really appreciate that divas. Yeah, and what else? That's it my divas. Until next time, stay absolutely fabulous, stay on fleek. Remember that Jesus loves you, and I, your girl, your ace, your friend, your sister, I love you plenty too. Love you loads divas. Bye bye. Bye.